that Bachelor of Statistical Data Science, a new course has been introduced by Indian Statistical Institute, and for each question paper, for each course they have given series sample question paper, so that students can take the idea about what type of questions is going to come this time. So this is the what I'm going to discuss is a sample paper for statistics, bachelors of statistics and data science, BSDS. This is a question paper, and today we are going to, I have taken this paper, and this number, it is 13 14, we are going to solve it starting. So here a question of I have already discussed the pattern of the question paper, complex number, probability, then matrix, limits, this all will come. Okay, one needs to practice on this types of roots of the question. This type of question will come. So here I am going to discuss with you one question based on probability. Like there is a question, the question number 13, if you see, suppose there are two buckets, bucket 1 containing 2 red and 3 black balls and 5 white balls. This is for bucket 1, and bucket 2 containing 3 red, 4 black, 2 white balls. A ball is drawn at random from bucket 1 and placed in bucket 2. After this, a ball is drawn at random from bucket 2. If this ball is black, then what is the probability that the ball drawn from bucket 1 was white? So this is the question. Okay, so we can tell that bucket 1 was white is the number of white balls in bucket, right, divided by the total number of balls in bucket 1. So in bucket 1 total number of balls is 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. And what is the probability that the ball drawn from bucket is white? So the answer will come to 2 by 5. Why I am telling that bucket 1 has 2 red, 3 black, 5 white balls. This is for bucket 1. Bucket 2 has 3 red, 4 black, 2 white balls. So after transferring a ball from bucket 1 to bucket 2 has a total of 9 balls, right? Because I have transferred a ball from bucket 1 to bucket 2. That is, it was having 3, 4 and 2. Now it is 3, 5 and 3. So if a black ball is drawn from bucket 2, the probability that the ball drawn from bucket 1 was white is the number of white balls in bucket 1 divided by the total number of balls. Next, there is a easy question. If letter of the word admission are randomly permuted, then the probability of obtaining the word Madison is, so here it is 1 by 9 factorial. Why? Because we know S is twice, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why 1 by 9 factorial. Now next comes the question. Let S be the collection of all the 5-digit number. Let N be a randomly chosen number from S. Then the probability that N is divisible by 8. So this is a big question. How we will solve it? For a 5-digit number to be divisible by 8 but not by 3, the last 3 digit must be divisible by 8, because we know the rule is that last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, and here the question that we know the last 3 digit, but the entire number should not be divisible by 3. So there are 125 numbers divisible by 8 in the range from 000 to 999. I am not telling the examples. The total number which are divisible like that, it is 125 in number. Now out of this 125 number, we need to exclude those which are also divisible by 3. So there are 33 numbers which are divisible by 3. On the other hand, 33 numbers. Here 125, out of that 33. You are getting mine? So therefore there are 125 minus 33. That is 92 number divisible by 8 but not by 3 in the range from 0002 to 999. So the probability we can find out, choosing a 5-digit number divisible by 8 but not by 3. So 92, 992, 81, 99, 81. You are getting like this, you will get. Now we have second 16 number question. Let M be the collection of all 3 by 3 matrix. What is a 3 by 3 matrix? This. Though this is an identity matrix, I just shown you so to show you the 3 by 3 matrix, and there are 3 to the power 9, that is 19683 possible matrices. Okay, so to find the number of matrices such that the sum of diagonal elements of A transpose of A multiplied by A is 5, we can consider the possible value of the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements of A are the transpose of A multiplied by A are the sum of the square of corresponding row of A. Each row sum can be -3, -1, 1 or 3. The possible combination of 3 row sums that add up to 5 are. So for each combination we need to count the number of matrices A with those row sum. So that will be 27 into 3. Okay, so like this we can find out the answer. 17, among the candidates appearing for an exam, 60% are male. So we can write 60% are male, 40% are female. Out of this candidate, 50% are successful. So the number of successful female candidate is 40%, more than the number of successful male candidate. If one of the successful candidate is chosen randomly, then what is the probability that the chosen candidate is female? So let the number of let us solve this quickly. Let the number of candidates be 100. Female candidates is what? 60%. Sorry, male candidate 60% and female candidate is 40%. So number of successful candidate is 50%. So this is for male, this is for female, this is total, and this is successful. This thing done. See, the number of successful female candidate is 40% more than the number of successful male candidate. So number of successful male candidate is X and number of successful female is, this is for male success. Female success is 1.4x. So we know that total number of successful candidate is, total number of successful candidate x plus 1.4x is equal to 50, or x is equals to 20.83 approx. So number of successful female candidates will be 1.4 into 20.83. So like this way we can find 29.17 by 50. So that will come to around this one. Thank you for watching the video.